life begins as a tiny egg, one of nature's greatest miracles. After a few days, the egg hatches, and a tiny caterpillar emerges. The caterpillar has only one mission: to eat leaves continuously and grow as quickly as possible. As it grows, it sheds its old skin several times. Once its growth is complete, it forms a protective chrysalis around itself. Inside the chrysalis, an extraordinary transformation begins. A brand new life is taking shape. A few days later, a beautiful butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. As soon as its wings become strong enough, it takes its very first flight. Butterflies play a vital role in pollinating flowers, helping to maintain the balance of nature. A life that began as a tiny egg undergoes an incredible transformation and becomes a colorful butterfly. Nature teaches us one of its greatest lessons. Change is a part of growth,